Hello. So I wish everybody a very happy and a very prosperous new year. Me, as well as the team of Living Virtuously, is wishing you all a fantastic new year. So, in this new year, let us start this new year with some resolution. Some very simple resolutions that will help us to be very, very effective in 2022, and that will help us to overcome all the odds that we can face. It will, all these resolutions that will help us to understand and resolve any challenges, any hurdles that may fall on us, right? So what are the resolutions? So these are the resolutions that I will be making, and some resolutions, these are the resolutions that I would like to share with you all, so that you can also understand the power and the importance of these resolutions and how it plays a very, very important part in our lives. So what are the resolutions? I want to make a resolution that I will have no fear that can keep my hopes down. So, a resolution with a mindset, with a positive mindset, that no fear can keep my hopes down. I want to have a mindset which will enable me to understand that there is absolutely no false belief or false beliefs that can keep my mind locked. I want to have a mental strength. I want to have a mindset in which no irrational restrictions can obstruct my vision and my mission. A mindset that will enable me to have such a powerful aura that there can never be any kind of irrational restriction coming inside my mind and which can obstruct my vision and my mission. I want to have a mindset, a strong mindset, so that no negative talks, no destructive criticisms can decrease my positivity. I want to have a mindset that is full of vibrant energy, that is full of purity. I want to have a mindset that if I set my mind and my sight on something, I will definitely achieve it sooner or later. That is what I want to have a mindset from 2022. Not only in 2022, but from and onwards 2022. A mindset that will give me the mental power to overcome any obstacles, any challenges that can come or that can make their way towards me. I want to continue feeling crazy with ideas to improve emotional and mental well-being for everyone through my creation, living virtuously. I want to have a mindset where my mind will tell me that I should not rest until my good becomes better and my better becomes the best. Always remember, when your intention, so if you are making such resolutions, what will happen is your intentions towards your work, your intention towards your purpose, whatever you are doing, whether it is in the field of emotional and mental health, that what I am doing through my creation, living virtuously, or whether it can be any other work that you are actually working towards. If you are having such positive mental resolutions, such resolutions that is going to make your mind so positive, all this positive mindset will reflect in your intentions towards your work. And when your intentions are clear, when your intentions are crystal clear and your sight is set, that is on your goals, your energy and your enthusiasm will become infectious and it will become crazy. Everybody will love your aura. This is what these resolutions will do to your mind and will do to your entire vibrancy that will be coming out of your aura. And these resolutions are just not for writing it down as a post, or just not for telling somebody that okay, these are my resolutions and it is sounding good and I will be living by it. These are the resolutions for you to understand and inculcate and digest, so that all these things, whatever you are saying, all these resolutions will run through your veins, and not only in 2022 but for time to come. We had some very difficult times in the past, in the recent past, like we all had suffered from this corona, and we don't know when this particular pandemic will completely end, but we need to be absolutely optimistic towards our work, towards our purpose, and our mental strength needs to be optimum despite of whatever challenges, whatever difficulties it is it's surrounding us with. All right, so this is what I wanted to share. These are the resolutions that I had made, and I hope that these resolutions will resonate with you, and you will be understanding the impact of these resolutions on your mental and emotional health. My name is Aniket. I again wish you a very fantastic and a prosperous and a happy and a positive and a optimistic new year 2022. Thank you and take care.